Today we have brought you the latest Tesla news. Tesla battery supplier Panasonic to delay commercial 4680 cell production. Tesla shows off grueling extreme heat testing regimen. Tesla FSD Beta 11.4.1 rolling out to customers. And Tesla is now disabling Model S radar sensors during service visits. Let's get into all the details. So let's get started. Longtime Tesla battery supplier Panasonic has announced a delay in the commercial production of its 4680 cells. Panasonic previously suggested that mass production of its 4680 cells could be achieved between April 2023 and March 2024. As per the company's recent statements, Panasonic is now planning to start commercial production of the next generation cells during the April to September period in 2024. Panasonic did not share the specifics behind its decision to shift the date for its 4680 cells commercial production. In its earnings presentation materials, however, Panasonic hinted that the adjustment could allow the company to improve the battery's performance, as noted in a Reuters report. Tesla is already manufacturing 4680 cells, with the batteries reportedly being equipped in the base Model Y that's produced in Giga, Texas. The next generation cells are expected to pave the way for the creation of more affordable electric cars, though Tesla has so far faced challenges in ramping the production of the next generation batteries. While Tesla appears to be betting a lot of its future volume production on its 4680 program, the EV maker's suppliers have also been working on a similar battery form factor. Panasonic alone is already running a pilot 4680 production line, though the facility is located at the company's Wakayama factory in Japan. Tesla's South Korean battery supplier, LG Energy Solution, is also developing its own 4680 cells. Reports from March of this year suggested that LG is poised to achieve mass production of the next generation batteries, potentially placing it ahead of Panasonic. Interestingly enough, LG has mentioned in the past that it intends to be Tesla's primary battery supplier in the future. By the end of 2022, Tesla's factories in California and Texas were producing enough 4680 battery cells for over 1,000 cars per week. That's a notable milestone for the 4680 program, but it is still a long way away from the company's targets. Tesla, after all, is aiming to achieve a rate of 20 million vehicles per year by the end of the decade. Moving to the next update, Tesla shows off grueling extreme heat testing regimen. Tesla has published a new video showing off its extreme weather testing, highlighting the engineering chops the automaker has attracted. With Tesla's incredible focus on engineering prowess, it should come as no surprise that it pushes its vehicles to the absolute limit when testing to ensure customers that its vehicles will hold up no matter the circumstance. Perhaps most well-known is Tesla's dedication to crash safety, but more critical to day-to-day driving, Tesla places its vehicles in some of the toughest efficiency tests on the planet. Now, Tesla has proven just that, showing off what its vehicles go through during extreme heat testing. Tesla published the video showing off its killer heat testing on its YouTube channel, which focused on one Tesla engineering team based in the United Arab Emirates. It should be noted that Tesla first showed off extreme heat testing last year, but have only now published a full video on the regimen. As seen in the video, temperatures in the Emirati desert consistently reach well above 120 degrees Fahrenheit, making it the ideal location for extreme vehicle testing. On top of this mind-melting heat, Tesla engineers subject the vehicles to high speed and uphill driving, all while using the vehicle's air conditioning and other interior features to ensure they achieve the worst-case scenario. Besides the obvious challenge of keeping the battery, motors, and occupants cooled, extreme heat testing can be particularly grueling for EVs, as they must ensure that battery chemistry stability is ensured and energy efficiency is maintained as well as possible. When Tesla's extreme temperature testing team isn't in the scalding hot desert of the UAE, it is in the frigid cold Arctic Circle in Norway during the winter, ensuring that each of its vehicle components can survive the hottest hots and the most freezing colds. Thanks to Tesla's testing, customers can look forward to dramatically improved products in the coming years. And while many may think we are close to pinnacle technology, Tesla's testing environment is here to prove otherwise. Moving to the next update, Tesla FSD Beta 11.4.1 is rolling out to customers. Tesla FSD Beta 11.4.1 is rolling out to customers right in time to test it over the weekend. Only a few Tesla FSD Beta testers have reported downloading update version yet. Tesla will likely roll out the update to more beta testers over the next few days. FSD Beta version 11.4.1 release notes were rolled out recently before customers downloaded them. The update introduces a few major architectural improvements that beta testers might find interesting. Elon Musk noted that FSD Beta version 11.4.1 is closer to version 12. However, Tesla is reserving the version 12 name for a more significant FSD Beta update. As mentioned earlier, version 11.4.1 has major architectural improvements. It's actually much more than a point release. Should arguably be version 12, but that's reserved for when FSD is fully AI, from video in to control out, Musk commented. In its Q1 update letter, Tesla wrote that FSD Beta has driven over 150 million miles, an unprecedented achievement in the autonomous driving industry. Tesla believes in an AI-based approach to autonomy. The miles FSD Beta testers have traveled are essential for Tesla to reach version 12. According to the EV automaker, scalable autonomy needs a mass collection of diverse datasets. Tesla has been cutting its prices lately, concerning some analysts. The automaker reported a GAAP gross margin of nearly 20% during its Q1 2023 earnings call. Despite analysts' thoughts, however, Tesla stood by its decision to cut prices and reduce its gross margin. The EV maker is confident that it can harvest margins in the future through autonomy. Moving to the last update, Tesla is now disabling Model S radar sensors during service visits. Tesla has started disabling radar sensors from some vehicles during routine appointments at service centers. So far, the disabling is limited to the 2021 to 2022 Model S, running software 2022.20.9 or later, with employees explaining it is being done because they are no longer needed after the switch to Tesla Vision. The topic of radar has popped up on the Tesla Motors Club forum, where user Black Knight 3 said last month the automaker had issued a new service bulletin for his 2022 Model S to disable the front radar. Along with being disconnected, the car's software is updated to trick it as if there is no radar there. When inquiring further about the bulletin with an employee, it was explained that is a proactive fix from Tesla, and that while the bulletin doesn't exactly outline why, but one reason given was that they still consume energy and the vehicle's range might be increased without it connected. And with Tesla Vision now handling all of autopilot and active safety features, there is no need to keep it connected. Other reason provided was that the units are susceptible to water ingress and can become damaged, but if they aren't being actively used anyway, why go to the effort and expense of removing it in the first place? Since the service bulletin was issued, numerous other refresh Model S owners have replied, saying their radar units were also disabled during service visits for other reasons, with some saying their home link was mistakenly disconnected at the same time. What makes the disabling of these radar units strange, other than the explanation that it is to increase range, is that Tesla is now shipping Model S and Model X cars with an upgraded high-definition radar unit that forms part of hardware 4. From what we have been told, these Model S and Model X cars have the upgraded hardware, but the software to take advantage of it has not been developed and are therefore not using the new radar units. It appears the only way to keep the radar connected in your 2021 to 2022 Model S is to be running 2022.20.8 or earlier, as the 2022.20.9 version was the one that disabled radar. Or don't take your car in for a service visit. That's it for now. So what are your thoughts about this? Let us know in the comments. Stay tuned at the electric arena for all the latest Tesla and electric vehicle news.